I conducted a content writing survey and found that most new and aspiring content writers want to create quality content faster. The online courses I have released deliver on this promise for both profit and non-profit agendas. The first course, Content Writing for Business Getting the Fundamentals Right, addresses the pre-writing part of a project that many content writers rush through, leading to mismatched expectations and misunderstandings that cause delays. This course teaches you a method to navigate this minefield. I also talk about the role of a content writer, the skills she must have, and some tools to support your growth. The second course, Business Writing Done Better Faster, addresses the writing process, how to make it seamless, goal-driven, and therefore more impactful. I talk about different writing categories, content styles, content optimization, and again some tools and resources to help you buy. These courses are sure to accelerate your content development speed by 40 to 50% and enhance its quality 2 to 3 times. Give these courses a try. If you don't like them, you can ask for a refund within 10 days. So, what are you waiting for? Happy learning!